My name is Sharamadu and I made a rain gauge. I cut a plastic bottle in half and then I filled it a little with artificial sand instead of gravel because we didn't have gravel. I used a plastic ruler that I had, an old plastic ruler that I had, instead of paper because I'm afraid that it seeped through and mess up all my measurements. I used scissors, some Sharpie pens, and this is paper that I used, well, tried to use, and it didn't work, so I just used the ruler. Let's wait for some rain to come. So it's filled up a little with water, and it's 1.5 centimeters, almost 2 centimeters. And it works, and it stayed apart, it stayed together. And that's how I made my rain gauge. Bye.